Well, first we just started off goofing off. I mean, we just goofed off with pipes, seeing where we could put them, seeing how much stuff we could put in them, and we never knew that we were gonna create electricity.
We are doing a flow test where we test how many seconds it takes for this pipe to fill up that 2-gallon bucket. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, start. Took 32 seconds for... Here we are going to test the elevation of this. We've got it kind of flat coming from the source over there, hidden by the Grando bucket, and see what it is. It looks like it is 16 inches.
Then we made a water wheel using all sorts of Legos. We used robot cups. The center is a robot. I mean, it's crazy. And like hand-me-down Legos for the frame. I mean, whoa. So, and I was surprised it never actually fell apart. Then Peter made a pretty amazing discovery. It was that if you attached a motor, then spun it, it would spin another motor that it was connected to. So we basically just generated power with Lego. Weird, huh? And then we got our battery tester, which was our only actual electricity tester to try and test the power of the water wheel with the big pipe at this point. And we also made Mark II of the water wheel, which was adding more dishes and switching the cups for radar dishes, and it actually made it faster. So, yeah, I wonder. Huh. Yeah, it wasn't very effective, but it made something.
Oh no. So we've got this going all the way. And this is old line, 1-inch line from the sap collection system yesteryear. Trying to make it go.
So now we are going to measure with this GPS the elevation from here all the way up there. Our current elevation is 521 to 20 feet.
Now we're
go up.
Now the height that we didn't get on camera is up there is all 555 feet.
Now,
and
it's got the 1-inch line.
555 minus 520 equals 35. So the distance between the two is 35. And then we got a real volt tester from our neighbor and decided to test it upon the thingy-doohickey water machine. And, well, at first with the 1-inch pipe we got 2 to 2.5 volts, and then there's the chipmunk Peter putting on the half an inch nozzle.
Here we are again, and we are going to be doing the flow test, where we are going to see how many seconds it takes this half an inch nozzle on a whole inch tap thing. I'm a bobber. What's it? And we're going to see how many seconds it takes to fill up this 2-gallon bucket. Let's try it. So 3, 2, 1.
Comparatively, the smaller nozzle actually took longer than the bigger one, but it generates more power because it has a higher elevation point of harnessing water. And then when we tested it with the voltmeter and the Mark II model, and it got going. Like, yeah, 7.5 was our highest, I guess. 7.5, 7.2. I don't know. And you once it hit it like exploded out of the cup because there was so much power, and the Waterwheel couldn't handle it. So we actually have more power to harness. Watch out for Mark III.